There are a few subtle drawing aids available in ProCreate that you may not be aware of. My favorite one is how to draw straight lines or even very basic shapes. It's very handy, very easy to use, very intuitive, and I wish I could do it with real paper and pencil. It's so cool. So let me share with my screen and show you what I'm talking about. So when I have my Apple Pencil, and I have whatever brush I have selected, you'll notice that drawing digitally can be a challenge, right? Just like it is with paper. If you're trying to, draw a straight line, you got to hold your hand really steady, right? This is a challenge. Well, watch what happens. I'm going to back up a couple steps. Watch what happens if instead of just drawing, what I do is I draw and I hold my Apple Pencil at the end just for a half second. I hold my pencil. And look, it made it straight. I haven't let go or raised my pencil. And look, I can rearrange that line too. So it's just a very subtle thing and it's very natural. All you got to do is you start your line, press and hold, and it straightens it out. And without letting go, I'm still holding it, I can reposition it. Now, watch what happens if I draw something else, like I try to draw a round circle. Probably one of the hardest things to do. Press and hold, and it perfects it. It recognizes it as a shape, and it smooths it out. Let's try a triangle, a square, right? So really handy. Like I said, I wish I could do that on pencil and paper. You have to really work at getting a steady hand, being really holding your hand really steady. But those are really handy shapes. Of course, if you wanted to organize these and be able to resize them, you'd need to draw them on separate layers so that you could adjust them, let's say. So while that is drawn on a separate layer, I could edit it by using my selection tools and modify it. But anyways, super awesome, super handy, super easy to use. You've always wanted to be able to draw a straight line. There you go. Or a perfect circle. That's it. Now, check out my other training videos if you're interested. I've got additional lessons and instructions on how to use Procreate. I also have a free tool guide, so click the links below and see you around.